If you're trying to set up an AWeber webhook but don't know where to start, or just need a quick, no BS explanation, you're in the right place. And stick around, because at the end, I'll share an exclusive free trial for a tool that not only does webhooks better, but also gives you way more automation power. So let's get right into it. Webhooks in AWeber allow you to send real-time data from your email list to other apps automatically. This means you can trigger actions like updating a CRM, adding contacts to another platform, or even sending SMS alerts whenever someone subscribes or unsubscribes. But here's the catch: AWeber's webhook functionality isn't as intuitive as other tools, and it has some limitations. Next thing, how do you set one up? First, log into your AWeber account, go to the Integrations tab, and look for the webhooks option. If you don't see it, that's because AWeber doesn't natively support webhooks for all plans. You'll need AWeber's API to create one manually. Once there, you'll need to add a webhook URL. This is the endpoint where your data will be sent. If you're integrating with a third-party tool like Zapier or Pabbly Connect, they'll provide the URL for you. Otherwise, you'll need to create a custom endpoint using a service like Make or your own server. The fourth thing, configuring triggers. AWeber only lets you send webhook data for new subscribers and unsubscribe events, which is fine, but if you need more advanced triggers, you're out of luck. Other email marketing tools let you trigger webhooks on things like link clicks, email opens, and purchases. So if you're looking for deeper automation, AWeber might not be the best fit. Now, let's talk about reliability. AWeber doesn't offer a built-in retry mechanism if your webhook fails. So, if your receiving server is down, that data is lost unless you build a custom workaround. Competitors like ActiveCampaign and ConvertKit handle this much better by offering built-in automation rules and better webhook reliability. But here's the most important part. What's the best alternative if AWeber's webhook system feels too limited? I've linked an exclusive free trial to a tool that not only simplifies webhook setup, but also gives you way more flexibility with automation. And if you're set on AWeber, I've also listed other better email marketing alternatives with free trials that might be a better fit, depending on what you need. Check the first link in the description to get the best deal available only for our viewers.